COPWATCH, policing the police every single day.
Here, let me think I care. No, I think you will. What? Miss Elaine, can I draw that on your own, buddy? That's the best case scenario, because we just walked down there.
Can I tell you something? Do Austin?
I literally still have this package right now.
Do they need the batches?
Come on.
For what?
Let's walk.
That's how we work.
Hop out. Hop out of the cubby. You can bring these with you. Here, I'll hold them. Come on. You bringing them or not?
Right here.
Come on. Let's go. You don't want to be in here while the third graders are doing their work anyway, right? Come on. Hop out. Hop out. Hop out. Come on. Yep.
Do you want help?
Mm-hmm. Yes, please.
Let go of him.
Wow, I got a beautiful room. That's bad.
Okay. Nope. We're back to where we were the other day. Be still. Do you want the handcuffs or not? Okay.
Mom horrified after watching body cam of cop attacking 10yo autistic son in school. Disturbing body camera footage captures the horrific effects of the US school system continuing to rely on police to handle young children with autism. By the Free Thought Project, August 12, 2018. Denton, Texas, RT, body cam footage has emerged showing the moment a school resource officer forced a 10-year-old boy with autism to the ground and handcuffed him. The child's mother says the entire incident amounts to abuse. The video begins by showing the young boy, Thomas, sitting in a cubby by himself in a classroom at Lee Elementary School in Denton, Texas in April. His teacher tries to encourage him to hop out of the cubby and eventually takes him by the wrist to help pull him down. A Denton Police Department school resource officer, who had been called to the room, can then be heard saying, "Do you want help?" to which the teacher replies that she does. At that point, the officer picks up Thomas and carries him down the hallway to a room. That room, called the SOAR room, is a space where children can quiet down, according to local news outlet WFAA. Once they have arrived in the room, the officer places the child on the ground and says, "Do you want the handcuffs?" Thomas is then cuffed while he screams and the teacher watches from a corner. According to the footage, Thomas was handcuffed 3 separate times before his mother, Emily Brown, arrived. It wasn't until his mother got home with Thomas that she and her husband Robert discovered bruises on their son's body. At that point, Emily told WFAA that they started realizing there's really something wrong here. Although police say Thomas was poking other students, the video only shows the child backed into the cubby. "I see a little boy hiding," Emily told WFAA. "Not doing anything that's an imminent serious harm to someone else." She equated the situation to abuse, calling it an unnecessary use of force by the officer. The Browns told WFAA that the very fact their son was handcuffed was breaking a rule, as they have a detailed intervention plan in place with the school which does not permit the use of restraints. "There are a variety of de-escalation techniques they're supposed to be using," the child's father said. However, the city of Denton said that, following a departmental review of the incident, no violations to laws or policies were found, and that proper protocol was followed. The officer has been allowed to keep his job at the school. The family is considering taking legal action against the school district and plans to place Thomas in a charter school this year. Police use who may want to retaliate against him physically.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County COPWATCH, and I just wanted you to know that I am using this stuff under fair use. And also remember to like and subscribe this channel. Also too, keep in mind I do not make any money on YouTube. This is 5 hours work a day, you know, fighting for freedom. And you can donate with PayPal and Patreon. I just want you to think about this. If everybody gives to PayPal and Patreon, Patreon is every month. Actually, PayPal you can do every month. I have 12,000 subscribers. If everybody gives, I can quit my regular job and go full-time investigations on Charlotte County and possibly even more and beyond. So just keep that in mind. If everybody helps out, I can go full-time doing this. Thanks.